got this little ammeter here, and so I've just clamped it round the outgoing cable that goes to the extractor fan. Little Martindale little meter. I've had this for a long time now. It's absolutely brilliant because it's so small. I'm not aware of any other make that does them like this. This one is such a great little ammeter because it's just smaller and you can get into small spaces without having to pull the cables all apart. With my normal ammeter, it'd be just too big to get in there. I'm not measuring the supply, I'm measuring what's going out the bottom of the thermal overload. Right, let's turn it on. This is what we call the inrush current. So, lower than what I thought it would be, to be honest. 1.5 amps. And then it goes down to about half an amp. Actually, I didn't realise this, but the setting on here is the minimum setting at that point is 5.5 amps. That is set to its minimum, so if you look there now, I don't know how well you can see that, but that's now set at 8.5 amps. And down to 7, down to 6, down to 5. Now I'm now going to wind it all the way back. So that's probably around the 2 to 3 mark. It's not ideal. It should really put a smaller thermal overload on there. As you can see, the motor is only taking half an amp to turn it, so there's not a lot of electricity going through here. The reason why this must have burnt out in the first place is probably just down to poor connections rather than anything else. Just one more little note with the little Martindale clamp meter. We're not sponsored by Martindale, but obviously if Martindale have seen this and they'd like to send us some free equipment, I'm quite happy for you to do that.